the season to be jolly, and because it is of course Christmas, I've teamed up with my family at Waitrose Partners to celebrate the festive season the only way I know how, with a blooming delicious meal. Waitrose Partners have you completely covered with all of your festive favourites, from the centerpieces like ready to roast joints, your show-stopping vegan alternatives, killer canapes, delicious desserts, all of the sides you can muster, and of course the all-important cheese board. There is so much to choose from. It's easy peasy to make and it's absolutely scrumptious. We're going to add a little homemade touch today with 3 easy peasy sauces, all of the ingredients sourced from Waitrose Partners to just jazz up your Christmas table. Shall we get cooking? You cannot have Christmas dinner without cranberry sauce. Sweet, tart and brighter than Rudolph's nose. So into a pan you want to add in 100 grams of light muscovado sugar and 100 mils of fresh orange juice, and you're going to bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, you're going to drop it down to a simmer and chuck in 300 grams of cranberries, fresh cranberries. It is Christmas after all. Also go in there with 1 eating apple that has been cored, sliced and peeled, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick and a generous knob of butter. Give it a good stir and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes so that the cranberries still hold their shape but your sauce is beautifully thickened. This is now ready to pop into a sterilised jar where it will keep for up to a week, so you can prepare this in advance, and I recommend giving it a nice little warm to room temperature when you do want to tuck in. Next up is a firm family favourite in the Pix household, that is classic bread sauce. Slather this all over your turkey, you'll have a whale of a time. The key to a brilliant bread sauce is infusing your milk with loads of flavour. So you want to get a pan on the hob and add in 600 mils of whole milk. To this, pop in 50 grams of butter, 1 onion that has been peeled and roughly chopped, 6 cloves, 6 peppercorns, 2 cloves of garlic that have just been lightly smushed, 1 bay leaf, and 3 sprigs of thyme. You're going to leave this to very gently simmer through for 20 minutes on the hob, allowing all those flavours to beautifully infuse. Next, you're going to strain it out, being sure to catch the milk in a pan. I've had that disaster on 1 or 2 Christmases. Return the liquid in your pan to the heat on a gentle low heat and pop in 100 grams of breadcrumbs. Stir in 4 tablespoons of mascarpone. This is going to add an extra creaminess to your delicious bread sauce. And we're going to finish it off by seasoning with some nutmeg, salt and pepper. Again, this can be made in advance up to 3 days. Just make sure you heat it through thoroughly before serving. What's a cheese board without a chutney? But this one you can rustle up in just 30 minutes. It's tomatoey, spicy, with all those Christmas fragrances. Oh, enjoy. Enjoy. To a pan, you're going to throw in 500 grams of mixed baby tomatoes. The more colours, the better. Give them a rough chop. 2 red onions that have been finely sliced. 1 fresh red chilli, obviously hold back if you don't fancy too much heat. 75 mils of red wine vinegar, balanced out with 150 grams of light brown muscovado sugar, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and salt and pepper to season. You want to simmer this for 30 to 40 minutes or until it goes gorgeously jammy, and then it's ready to pop into some sterilised jars. And you know what's even better is that this will keep for up to 4 weeks in the fridge. It's there for Christmas Day, Boxing Day, New Year's Day, just for your cheese on toast. Enjoy. So there you have it, 3 sauces I could not be without this Christmas. Let me know which is your favourite in the comments. And be sure to click all the links in the description box to see the full range of amazing Waitrose Partners Christmas produce and for recipe inspiration too. Everything you see on this Christmas table has been created by the wonderful Waitrose Partners. Their selection is out of this world, so make sure you pay them a visit to make your Christmas even easier this year. With love from Waitrose Partners and myself, we wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way.